As a counter professional, you can help your customers keep their engines running smoothly during cold weather by encouraging them to focus on a few key areas. Cold weather can affect the viscosity of engine oil and make it harder for oil to circulate. The solution comes down to sticking to the fundamentals of vehicle maintenance. Always encourage your customers to keep up with their oil and filter changes based on the recommended service intervals, and make sure they use an engine oil that's specified by the OEM. Most late model vehicles use synthetic or synthetic blend oils that are designed to perform optimally in all conditions. Now let's talk about the battery. A weak battery is one of the most common reasons for cold weather engine failure. That's why it's especially important to keep an eye on the battery in the winter months. A healthy car battery typically has a voltage of 12.6 to 12.8 volts when fully charged and the engine is off. If the voltage consistently measures low, encourage your customer to be proactive and replace their battery before they get stuck in the cold. Another focus area is the engine's belts and hoses. Cold temperatures can cause rubber components to crack or lose flexibility. Encourage your customer to have their vehicle's belts and hoses inspected for wear and to replace them as needed. Finally, let's talk about additives. The right additives can help protect your engines during cold weather, especially for older vehicles and diesel engines. Regardless of whether the customer's vehicle has a diesel or a gasoline engine, always recommend additives that are compatible with the vehicle's specific fuel, oil, and coolant systems as recommended by the OEM. One final thought. Many drivers still believe that idling their vehicle on a cold morning is necessary. You may do this yourself. However, thanks to fuel injection technology and thinner synthetic oils, this is a myth. According to the Car Care Council, unless you're trying to defrost the windshield or warm the interior of your car, idling longer than 30 seconds is unnecessary, even on the coldest days. Excessive idling can waste fuel, hurt the environment, and even cause unnecessary wear on engine components. The best way to warm up an engine is to drive gently at the start. It's true that engines can get a bit stressed in extreme weather, but with proper vehicle maintenance and some common sense, your customers can help keep their engines happy no matter how cold it gets. Thanks for watching.